Hello, and welcome to the Legal Aid of West Virginia Kinship Benefit video series. Today we're going to be talking about benefits that are available to caregivers who have set up a guardianship, or how a guardianship changes the benefits you might already be receiving. This video should help anyone who has or is considering a guardianship. If you already have a guardianship, it's important to know what benefits are available to assist you in caring for the child or children. If you are already receiving public benefits, it's very important to know how these benefits might be affected by setting up a guardianship for the child. When we talk about public benefits, we're referring to programs such as food stamps, West Virginia Medicaid, TANF, also known as West Virginia Works, Social Security and Disability, as well as tax consequences. First, West Virginia Works, which again is known as TANF or Temporary Aid for Needy Families, is primarily cash assistance provided by the Department of Health and Human Resources to people who are caring for relative children. This means that the child must be related to you by blood or marriage. West Virginia Works is available to kinship caregivers regardless of their income, so long as the child is living in your home and the biological parents are not. Even if you do not have a guardianship, you could still be eligible for assistance through West Virginia Works. West Virginia Works covers a wide range of assistance. First and foremost, it is a cash assistance check to help care for the children. But it also includes a medical card, a one-time clothing voucher, assistance with daycare through the West Virginia Mountain Heart Program, referrals to legal aid, and can also cover other expenses such as after-school activities and sports registrations. To get started with West Virginia Works, you can apply at your local office or online at the link provided at the end of this video. Once you apply, you will work with your caseworker to make sure that you're receiving all the benefits that you need. West Virginia Works coverage will continue so long as you continue working with your caseworker to renew your status and are still caring for the child. However, your benefits can end if you adopt the child and are not otherwise eligible, if you stop caring for the child, or if the child ages out at 18. Food stamps is a benefit that is calculated based on the income of the household and the size of the household. If your household size increases because you are now guardian for a child, your income limits will also increase, meaning you could now be eligible, or if you were eligible before, you should still remain eligible. Even if the biological parents are living in your home, you can still qualify for food stamps. In terms of tax benefits, the general rule for claiming a child as a dependent is that the child has to live with the caregiver and receive a majority of their support from the caregiver for at least 6 months out of the year. However, we're lawyers. We're not accountants, we're not tax professionals, and so we strongly recommend that any caregiver consult with a tax professional to ensure that they are receiving the maximum benefit available. Caregivers should also be aware that who and what they claim on taxes can impact the eligibility for claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, and Dependent Care Credit. Additionally, some forms of assistance are not considered income and are therefore not taxed. Often, children in care are eligible for Social Security and/or disability benefits, either directly or through a parent who might have passed away. However, the child will not be eligible based on your SSDI or retirement status when they are under a guardianship. For health insurance, we're referring to West Virginia CHIP. It's important to note that West Virginia CHIP is not Medicaid. It is a health insurance coverage that has more limited coverage than Medicaid. It is not eligible for non-emergency medical transportation. Once your eligibility is determined and you are enrolled, West Virginia CHIP staff will notify the payee of the coverage specifics that are available. A child cannot have creditable private insurance and West Virginia CHIP in the same month. It's important to note that the benefits that kinship caregivers receive has an impact on the child's parents' benefits eligibility. The most basic rule is that if a kinship caregiver is claiming a benefit, then the biological parents cannot. This includes tax credits and TANF eligibility. Additionally, DHHR might seek child support from the biological parents while the state is providing assistance to kinship caregivers for the child. You'll see here links available to West Virginia Works, the VITA tax program, as well as legal aid and the Social Security Administration. We hope that this video is helpful as you are considering your options under guardianship. Thank you and have a great day.